Meet this year's Nature Conservation Award finalists, sponsored by Ford Wildlife Foundation. BirdLife South Africa is a South African-based conservation organization dedicated to conserving birds and the habitats that they depend on. Currently, the organization manages conservation projects covering more than 50 of South Africa's most threatened bird species. Most importantly, the organization connects with people, working with communities in some of South Africa's most threatened habitats, assisting them to deal with environmental issues affecting their well-being and livelihoods. Greenpop's Reforest Fest is an annual citizen-led restoration festival where people come together to plant trees and enjoy a unique celebration over the Easter long weekend. In its 14th year, the festival has planted 150,000 indigenous trees, restoring forest habitat and supporting endangered species like the Cape leopard. Over 10 million rand has been invested in restoration efforts alone. Two Oceans Aquarium Marine Protected Areas Day. In 2021, some passionate South African organizations formed the MPA Alliance and declared the world's first Marine Protected Areas Day to create awareness about these game reserves of the sea and to highlight the critical role that the ocean plays in sustaining life and livelihoods of people by providing economic, cultural, and spiritual benefits. This is an important day to share stories and information about preserving our oceans for both people and nature. Ecologic Awards 2024, proudly brought to you by